I got this door from the Habitat for Humanity restore. It's a used door. It's really a fucking badass door. The doorknob was on the wrong side, so I took it bitch all apart and I switched it up. But look at that, see where the glass is? Watch this shit. When you pull it down, it fucking has a screen that retracts up into the fucking door and shit. How badass is that? But the door is fucking out of square. Not the door, but the fucking frame of the door. So I took the metal piece. I used the old fucking frame from the old stone door and fucking, you see that shit? That's the old stone door. The old ugly motherfucker is right here. They don't make them like this one no more. Well, anyway, so I took that fucking metal piece off the top up there. And you can see the old mint green color. And I made me a fucking 1-inch stick shim that goes from a 1/2 inch to fucking 3/4 of an inch. That's 35.5 inches long out of a piece of oak. So now when I fucking take a drill bit and I'm gonna drill some holes through it, and I'm gonna make some countersinks, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna screw this piece up in here like this. Like that. And that's gonna give me something to screw that old metal frame to. I'm gonna clip that bitch down. So when you're working with a 65-year-old house and shit's all out of square and fucked up, then you gotta fucking sometimes fucking make pieces and fuck with shit and make it fit. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see how it ends up. First thing you do is just take a small drill bit about the size of the threaded part of the screw and screw it through there. Then take a bigger bit and make a countersink, because I don't have a countersink with me. So just use 2 different size fucking drill bits. And you can see the fucking height of the screw. It's gonna fit right down in that motherfucker. So I'm gonna go down there and screw that bitch up in the hole. Alright, so now I got that fucking piece put up in there. And that's what it looks like. It goes from 3/4 of an inch this way, and it goes down to a 1/2 inch that way. So now, I'm gonna fucking take this piece of metal right here and cut it down, and I'll have something to fucking screw it to. So I'll put it in its place and then shut the door and fucking to where it's gotta be, and then put the screws in that bitch, and that ought to close that crack at the top. That's where that's at. And now we're at the end of day 52 of our house renovation, where Earth fucking power wash all that shit up down there on the bottom real good. Got all the vines off the side of the house. All the fucking windows and shit out there all scraped off and shit. The holes are done for that fucking, for that damn handle right there. The plumbing's getting hooked up tomorrow and shit. All the windows are all scraped up on the inside and out. The flooring people should have been here this week, but they didn't come, which is fucking me up, because I'm doing the outside of the house now. And when I get done doing the outside of the house, I want to come inside and put the quarter round done and fucking hand the key over and call it shit done and move on. But for some reason they didn't show up like they were supposed to, so hopefully they'll fucking get on the ball next week or something. This fucking storm door is put in. All right. All that shit's all straight. I just gotta stop in the morning and get the sweep for the bottom of the door. And now he wants to replace the fucking weather stripping around the inside of the door, wash the roof of the house, and paint the mullions on the outside of this fucking French door on the back here. So every day he comes in and adds a little more shit. So that's fine. So we'll get it all done and everything. And maybe by then it'll be fall and it'll fucking be not 100 degrees outside, and we'll have fucking stood the storm and fucking got out of the fucking heat for the winter, for the summer. So, if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV, hit the like button and the little notification bell so that you know when I upload another motherfucker. And hopefully pretty soon we'll be past this shit and we'll be making some more interesting videos. If you got any questions, leave a fucking comment in the comment section and I will respond. Or you can leave me a question via email at peninsulaimp@gmail.com. And really fucking crazy looking fucking bug flying up there. This bitch look fucking huge, man. Look like a fucking, like an airplane. Big ass fucking bug. I've been there fucking, what the hell that was. Well, anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow's Friday. We get to lock the doors and head on up out of this bitch. You don't have to worry about coming back here till fucking Monday. So, got any questions? Big ass motherfucking bug. I don't know if you can see that bitch or not, but that bitch is huge. But anyway, y'all have a good day now, and I'll see you tomorrow when we get their plumbing done, and it's Friday. Have a good one.